Ladies and gentlemen, Malmblendi will create value from waste. The problem is that the aluminium smelters produce aluminium in pots. Those pots have only a certain lifetime, normally 5 to 6 years. The material taken out of those pots is a waste, so-called SPL, or spent pot lining. It is a hazardous material, and it is a huge problem for the aluminium industry today. To solve this problem, we are going to mix it together with iron ore and melt it in an electrical induction furnace. And the outcome will be nickel pig iron. This nickel pig iron is a high-value metal alloy used worldwide to produce stainless steel. This process is a new and it's a unique. We have been testing it, and the results are in accordance with our expectation. And since it is a new process and unique, we have applied for a patent for it. Last year, the aluminium industry produced 50 million tons of aluminium. This market is expected to grow by 6% annually in coming years. And that means that the aluminium industry produced as well 1 million tons of this SPL last year. 75% of all nickel pig iron is used to produce stainless steel. The stainless steel market is expected to grow by 5% annually in coming years. The nickel pig iron production is in balance with the stainless steel production today. But the capacity to meet increased demand is not available at the moment, and it's foreseen there will be a shortage on this market in coming years. 2010, the International Aluminium Institution made a survey on SPL recycling, and the result is that only 40% of this material is recycled. The reason why not a larger part of this material is recycled today is the method that are used. They are costly and they are not value adding. Therefore, the aluminium industry is waiting for better solution and until they are stocking up a large part of this material. And what makes our process different from those that exist today is the creation of valuable metal alloy, this nickel pig iron. And by using the waste as an energy in the process, we will reduce the production cost and make it profitable. And the business model for Malmblendi is quite interesting because we get paid for recycling the waste. And that means that we have two revenue streams. One is from the aluminium industry for having the waste recycled because they pay us for it. And the other one is for the nickel pig iron sale. This nickel pig iron is a commodity that has a known world market price. There is an index available for it, and just like other known metals. And what we will do, or what we can do, is either sell it on the spot market or make a long-term agreement with the stainless steel producer. And for the waste, we will make a long-term agreement with the aluminium smelters. That means 3 to 5 years. The founders of Malmblendi are two. It's Walter Freeman and me. Walter Freeman is an American. He has been working on this process for a long time, developing it and testing it. His background is from mining. He's a mining engineer. And myself, I worked for ESAL for 10 years. I left ESAL 2011 when I founded GMR. GMR is a steel recycling plant located at Grundartangi and is recycling both cathode and anode steel for the aluminium industry today. So this was a presentation of Malmblendi, and we will create value from waste. Thank you.